Renting an apartment can be a real pain in the eye, with boring rental paperwork that numbs your brain, weekends destroyed running all over town, and apartments with rates so high they must be crazy. It can sometimes seem like the whole thing was created by a mad scientist. It's alive! It's alive! Lucky for you, at Apartment Science, we're quite sane. And we're ready to help you find a great apartment without losing your mind. First, we have more apartment data than any other service. We are licensed real estate agents. Simply tell us what you need and we'll send you a list of apartments to match. We tell you the exact rental price and verify availability before you visit. But do you want to know the best reason to use Apartment Science? It's because if you list Apartment Science on the guest card and rental application and let the leasing company know without a doubt that we sent you, we'll pay you $200. Here's the thing. Apartment Science knows the rental markets better than anyone. Because we make commissions from leasing agencies, we pass the savings on to you. Property managers tell us their discounts first, so our clients can save even more money. So Apartment Science not only makes your apartment search much easier, we give you free money. We like to think that instead of mad scientists, we're actually mad geniuses. At Apartment Science, we've got your apartment search down to a science. Contact us today. Call 832-409-4059 or shoot us an email at info@apartmentscience.com.